Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I am going to be doing a special video. This is my first unboxing channel, so we're going to be unboxing this diamond thing, and look, I'm going to open it. I haven't opened it yet. Just got this from Toys R Us, so you can go to so you can go to your Toys R Us, nearest Toys R Us, and buy this. It's near the cashier, I think it's called. It's near the cashier. Okay. Just unbox. It's so hard. Tape. I'm struggling with tape. You know, it's the easiest thing to do in the whole entire world. Peel apart it. Do you hate when opening toys? When you have to like unbox things with tape, and then you have to get scissors, and then you cut everything. That's what I hate about it. Ooh, haven't seen any videos of this. I haven't watched anybody doing this. So we got a brush. Okay, cool Willy. Got. Why not? A little hammer thing, which is a little hammer thing. It's really cute. And then this shovel thing. Go down there. Let's start with the water. I have a bowl of water with this, so and then a sheet of newspaper on here. Okay, we can just do it, whatever. Okay. So now, more tape stuff? Why? Ugh. Open it with my mouth. Okay. Dust is coming out for a little bit. For a chance. Ah! It's stuck to me. Oh. I feel the powder. I feel the powder. I wish you guys know how this feels. It feels so weird. It feels like a bath bomb. Oh my god. It feels like a freaking bath bomb. Oh, the powder's getting all over the place. The powder's getting all over the place. Help me. Okay, so here is the diamond. It's pretty heavy. So we're gonna plop this in the water. Whoop. Wash my hands on this. Look, it's soaking up. Soaking up all the water. So I'm gonna use this tool to like crush it. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna crush it now. Oh, it feels. Oh, it's so gross. Oh, it feels like sand. Oh, disgusting. Ooh, look at this. Look at that beauty. And look at this. Whoa, it feels like sand. Oh, that's terrible. Oh no. Whoa, it feels so cool. It's so freaking cool. I mean, guys, look at the stone. It's beautiful. I can't barely see it because the camera flies into my head. Okay. Shoot, okay. Okay, I'm feeling around in this bowl and it's pretty cool. I wish you guys can feel it. I mean, like, look at it. It's so gross. Okay. I'm gonna play around with this for a minute. But look at this. It's blue. Oh! What I should do? I should play with these tools. Whoop! Really don't hammer which one, nothing. It feels like dusty. This stone looks so cool. What is it? I have no clue. Let's check the box. Looks like it could be a rock crystal. So I unboxed a rock crystal and it looks very freaking cool. And it sometimes has like these things on the top, but look at it, it's so shiny. Ooh. I should probably like surround it with this beauty. Sand of the beauty. What does that even make? Okay. Look at this beauty. Okay. It's covered. Okay. See something. It's like this is a rock crystal, you know it. Sticking it up in there. I'm gonna play with this thing. It's so watery. Ugh, sandy. Disgusting. I can play with this all day. Put this crystal aside. I'll unbox more, but look how cool it is. I wish I can show you guys, but I can't. Look how watery that is. Look how cold this dust is. It's disgusting. Ugh. I mean, I can play with them. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need to pause the video, but look how cool this rock looks like. It looks like crystal, and it is the rock crystal. So we found the rock crystal. So it looks like a diamond, but it's not. You can get diamond on this. It's instead of the gold, it's the diamond version. You see this? Do you see it? Oh shoot! I put it in the thing. Okay. Okay. I need to like set this aside and dry my hands because my hands are like Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!